What's up guys, back again with another video. This time I'll be showing you how to make your GUI window non-resizable. So you'll see what that means, so let's get right into it. Let's open up the folder here for Tkinter tutorials, and we're going to create a new file. I'm going to name it Non-Resizable GUI. And make sure you have the extension py, of course, because that's for Python. And then we're going to open that up in our editor, IDE, PyCharm. Okay, so we're in the file here. And so now we need to recreate the GUI we made last time, then we'll add the new code to it. So let's do that. So we'll do import Tkinter as TK. So done with that. And then we gotta set our, we gotta initialize Tkinter itself, create an instance of it. And there we go, that's all we gotta do. And then give the window a title. We'll call it non-resizable window. There we go, pretty simple. And then we gotta, make the main loop, right? Main loop. So this is what actually makes it run, okay? And keeps it running. So let's run this to make sure it works. We gotta set our interpreter, of course. So let's do that. Now we'll run it. And there we go, there's our awesome window. So this is what I mean by resizing. So this is currently resizable because we can make it bigger, smaller, everything. So we can close this now, and then the main loop is ended there. So that's what that does. And so now we can make it non-resizable. So right here, in between the code here and the code here, is where we can start making code that will show up or affect our GUI basically. So we can say when, this is going to be like a property basically, when resizable, and we can put inside of here, we have to choose the x and y. So the x and y are the two values. It takes a boolean. So what I mean by this is, if we don't want the whole thing to be, if we want, let's say we want the whole thing to be non-resizable basically, we do false, false. That means here it's not resizable in the x direction, which is left to right, horizontal, and here it's not resizable in the y direction, up and down. So that's what that does. Let's say we want it to be resizable just horizontal, then we can change this to true. So let's test that out, see what it does. So we run this and open it up, and let's see, we have it so y cannot be resizable, so if we select this here, we cannot move it. But if we try to do x direction, it'll work. So fairly simple here. And likewise, let's make the whole thing non-resizable and see what happens. Drag it down here. Oops. So now the icon doesn't even show up to even resize it, so. And we can't full screen it either, so. Yep, that's that. And yeah, so again, let's do the y direction. And as you can see, only in the y direction. And you can't, yeah, nothing shows up there. So anyway, yeah, so thanks for watching this little episode. If you liked it, leave a like. Subscribe if you want to see more, and if you have a question or you need help, leave a comment and I'll help you. And next episode we're going to be learning how to actually add stuff to our GUI, hopefully. So stay tuned, and yeah, so peace. Subscribe.